Hello guys and welcome to our channel. In this video I'll show you how to do this viral trend right here. It's a Portuguese one. So in this one it means that you have to show on Instagram the person that pays your bills. So let's go ahead and do that. First of all, we have to click on this search icon from the bottom of the screen on your Instagram account. And then from here you have to search for my account, which is Ali and John YTT. And then from my Instagram you have to go to add yours 2022 add highlights. You have to be aware that if you go to my story, then it will expire in just a few hours, so you will not find it there. So from here, like I said, you have to go to highlight to add yours 2022. And here you have to tap just like this until you find the desired sticker. And you can also check my other viral trends if you like. Like this one, for example, or this one. And once you find your story, you have to click on the add yours button. And if you are not able to click on the add yours button, once I'll do the story for the video, I'll show you from where you can get a tutorial to help you solve your problem. But first, let me do the story and then I'll show you that tutorial. So now you can go to your uploads and choose a background photo for your story. So I will go ahead and do that. So I will go with this photo. You can now place your sticker where you want and share this story with your friends. So guys, now if you are not able to click on the add yours button, what can you do? Once again, you have to go on my Instagram account on Ali and John YTT. And then from here you have to go to super viral at highlights. And here you will find this first story. Not able to click on add yours button, then you can click on this YouTube link right here and it will get you to a video tutorial which has only 2 or 3 minutes, and it's super easy to follow and it will definitely help you, so make sure to check that. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can like this video and you can also subscribe to our channel. And if you have some questions, you can go ahead and ask them in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.